Hi, I wanted to take a look at this Challenger with the Kenne Supercharger. Hope I'm saying that right. Got a lot of questions about this kit and how it installs and where things are at, so thought I would try to explain some of it. It's a lot like any other supercharger, the way it installs, other than the air intake. And I wanted to show how that air intake goes down through the inner fender. So it actually goes down, you can see where we cut it out. I hope you can see where it's been cut, and it goes through, and it almost looks like it meant to be there. You can see there's even, well, it's difficult to see, but there's some bracketry down there that holds it in place. And it's not moving. It's like a factory part. It's solid. Even the little intercooler coolant system mounts on and almost looks original. It's got some water wetter in there. Get this cap on, but as you can see, it actually slides down in this little slot that's originally on the Challenger, and all that just fell into place, and it fits in there and looks real nice. I don't have the front cover off this car, but I can kind of show you where things are at. Okay, on this side, right in here, kind of behind the light, is the air filter. It sits down in there and it's huge. And in this area, right under these lights on the driver's side, is the water pump for the cooling system. And then down here, we can probably see a little bit, is the actual cooling coil. You can see it better in the video where there's no front bumper on the car. So I know it's kind of hard to see, but I hope that helps you understand how this kit goes on. It does not have a catch can. The KB kit does not have that. You can tell this kit's been on the car for a while and it's been no problems, but you can see how the aluminum's kind of showing its age. It all needs cleaned up. So this kit has a modified version of the original PCV setup and it works fine. I don't have to empty cans. I don't have to do anything. You can just take the car and drive it normally, no problems. The oil fill, the only thing to point out with it is it takes forever when you're changing the oil to fill this thing back up with oil, because it's got a really small inlet. So I hope that helps some of the questions and maybe to understand how this kit works. I know there's just not very many videos out on this kit. It all tucks in very well. It wasn't really hard to install. You know, there was some cutting. You have to take the padding from under the hood. I have to modify just a little bit and cut the hood because I didn't want the pulley to hit it. That wasn't a big deal. I didn't do a great job, but it works just fine. So if you have any other questions, throw them below and I'll try to answer them.